Okay. Hi there, everyone. Can't believe this is happening, but this poor little bird. It picked up when I was going to get some pine saw. He's still alive. See him blinking? But he's in bad condition. Really wish I could help him or bring him to the SPCA, but I can't. Someone hit him with their car right when I was walking to go to the store. I can't believe people hit birds for no reason. Poor Birdie. He'll probably only have a couple days to live. Or not even that. Thank goodness he's looking. See that? His eyes opening and closing. Poor Birdie. I love you. Okay. Bye, everyone.